guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys like the new setup. I put some beautiful lights. In this video I'm gonna talk to you about what's in my bag so that you can get to know a little bit about me. So I've got my work bag. It's a beautiful grey Carvela bag. Can you see it? And it's very compact. I like it because it's got a beautiful strap, so it's easy when you're like, you know, it's a beautiful strap. So it's just easy when you just put it on your shoulder. And also it's got beautiful handles. Also it's got a little nice little pouch that you can bring out as well. See that? And it's a beautiful grey colour, so it's just like goes with everything as well. So let's start off. What's in my bag? I have my iPhone and it's a 7 Plus, and I love the camera on this, so you cannot go wrong with it. So I do use my phone to take my Instagram pictures, and sometimes I do videos in it as well. I have a pack of polos. Always need polos, and I can literally live off them. And I like the original one, and I do not like the peppermint one, so I like all of the polos. Yeah, always have a good polo. You need a fresh breath. I got a pack of tissues. You always need them. Always have a runny nose and stuff like that. And have a bottle of water. I don't drink different types of drinks, so I always drink water. So I try to drink at least 2 bottles of this. I don't really need this. This is 500 mils. I do believe I need to have 1.5 litres to kind of fill my water intake. So yeah, water is better for you. Got my purse. And it's a lovely Carvela. Can you see that? It's so compact. It has all my like cards. It's got like slots and everything. It's got so many like discount cards for shops and things, you know. A lot of discount cards. I love this purse because it's so compact, keeps everything in, and it just goes in my bag. Plus it's got like gold details, so I'll go with that. A very stylish purse. Also I've got my diary with me. It's got my work planner and everything that I need to get on. And it's a lovely colour as well. I think I got it from Debenhams. Obviously need my charger. You just need to charge my phone. I've got hand sanitizer. It's aloe vera hand sanitizer. It smells really good as well. It's got like a tea tree as well. So it's aloe and honey. I do believe it's 99.9% kills germs. I like to have clean hands every time, because I'm always working with like people and just you don't know what you're going to catch, so it's always good to keep hand sanitizer in there. And I've got my compact mirror. It's a beautiful compact mirror. It's like a blusher one. It's got a bit of marks, so I do apologise. It's got a lovely mirror. Got lots of pens, always need pens. I've got more pens. You can never have enough of pens. If you run out, you're gonna need loads. Or if someone needs it at work or something. Oh, I've got another compact as well. Another blusher. And it's a number 9. It's like a bronzy. Can't put it up, you can see it. But it's a lovely colour. forgot to show you the other one. It's a blusher as well. So beautiful. And it's the number 6. It's a lovely dark kind of rose. If you can see it. By YSL. And I've got more pens. Probably got 6 pens in there. And more tissues. Always have clean pair of tissues. You never know when you're gonna need them. And I've got my makeup cards. Look at that. Do you like the design? It's so pretty. Everything's tangled in there. Damn. I've got my keys. Got my home keys. Got loads of like tags. Got the fluffy bit so you can always pull it out in case you lose it at the bottom. So this just kind of hands it out to like find your keys really quickly. More discount stuff on it as well. Charms. Beautiful laces. All that. Ribbons, not laces. Work locker keys. Yep. Guess what I have? More hand sanitizers. Always need to clean your hands. I hate having dirty hands. I've got NYX lip cream. It's in the shade Stockholm. And it's like a nice pink colour. I've got it on as well. I wear this a lot, or I use this on top of like lipsticks, just to add like a little pink. And I got my lip pencil. Guess what it is, guys? You've probably seen this in my previous videos. I keep using this a lot. It's a MAC lip pencil in cork, and it's a nice brown shade, and I've got it on as well with the same NYX Stockholm lip creams. I love them. And I've got some grey gloves, kind of matches my bag as well, kind of goes with everything. And it's from Primark. I always keep a pair of gloves because you just don't know when it's going to get really cold. And the weather right now, it's so cold, so always need to keep your hands warm. And I got a spare fork. You always need a plastic fork or when you're having your lunch, so you never know. You always need that as handy. And I got receipts. Yep. Sainsbury's. Yep, last time I got like ice cream or something. That's the end of everything. But my bag is all empty. Nothing in there. And there's like a little nice pouch so you can pop your like cards and things. But this bag is so compact. I love it, and it's so easy, and it's very business style. I love it because it's so chic. And let me check if I got anything in the little purse as well. This pulls out. Look at it. It's got like a little bit of snake print. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Oh, there's something in there. And I got a little perfume. It's by Chloe Absolute du Parfum. So it's good to keep these handy in there. You always need perfume to smell good. And I have like always loads of these. Never do. That's everything in the bag today. Simple what's in my bag. I'm gonna put everything back in there. The bigger the bag, I feel like you're gonna put more stuff in, or you have like loads of receipts left. So I was trying to clean my bag out. So this is quite a new bag still, and I've changed my old bag. So I like it when everything's fresh and clean. That's everything of what I have in my bag. I don't know what else you want to know, but that's everything in my bag. So hope you guys got to know me a little bit and seen what I keep in my daily work bag. I use it not just for work, I use it for like, I don't know, going out maybe if I have meetings and things like that. So it's always handy to have a side bag. I always need a bag. I cannot live without a bag. Like, I cannot have a bag. Always need my water, my diary and everything like that. I have a very busy life, so I always need to keep my diary. Without my diary, I'm so lost. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Do give it a thumbs up if you really liked the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification so you get notified when the new video is up. Thank you guys so much for watching and take care. Bye.